Okay, so anyway, this is my situation. I bought this pump and the hose is ripped here. So I was looking at it and this rotates. And if you look on the inside there, you're going to see it's got a O-ring that keeps the seal for the air. And so you're trying to figure out how this goes in here. But I noticed that where it broke, it has this, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to just kind of unwrap this. It's glued onto this big piece of plastic that comes out of this. So all we've got to do is get this off of here, then recut this and then glue it back on, which I think shouldn't be too hard. So what I'm doing is I'm peeling it right now, and I'm peeling it all the way up, and now I've got that nozzle separate from that. And so now I can make a straight cut on this and hopefully reattach this. And I'm not sure what kind of glue I'm going to use. I'm going to have to figure that out. But I'm going to pull this glue off of here like this, because I want it to get a good seal. So I think that that's probably the best way to do it. You want to get all this glue that's on here off of there. And then probably some type of an epoxy I think would be best. This doesn't seem like it's epoxy. I don't know what this kind of glue is. Some kind of glue in China. Probably. But anyway, this is going to happen to you because apparently the weak area is right here when it's inserted. So if you bend it, it will crack. As you can see, this cracked right here on both sides of where this ended up in it. So I'm going to try to re-glue this all the way up into like that. And I'm going to go ahead and get all of this junk off of here, because I need it for tomorrow. I got a bunch of kite lessons tomorrow and I don't have a pump to blow up. This is a brand new pump. I just bought it with $60. It's one of those WMFGs or whatever it is. And apparently this is a design flaw, because when I called Jupiter Kiteboarding, they said, yeah, you got to pull that off. And I'm like, how the hell do I get? And then I looked at it and I figured it out. So hopefully I'm going to try to get them to send me a new hose if I can. Because, so anyway, we're going to do that, and then we'll get to the gluing process in a second. So we're cleaning this off, and then once we get that clean, then we're going to cut this. I'm going to try to cut it nice and straight here, just like that. And as you can see, there's glue on the inside of this, so that glue got all smushed down in there. Let's see if I can pull it out. I think I got it. Almost. There it is, you see it? And this, I guess we got to get this nice and even. So I'm going to, see it's got a little cut in there. And I want to try to get it nice and even. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but see, it's still, look, it's still ripped there. So I got to go in here, cut that, and I'm going to cut this. And then you got to look and see if it's ripped anywhere else. Apparently this is not that strong, but okay, I think we're good. Now I just got to glue her all in there, clean this, and I insert that in there, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Okay, so I've gotten most of the glue off this. I've got a cabrina too that I got to fix. So we're going to do that one too. I've almost got it off of here. There we go. So now that's off. Now I can just put this piece on here too. So we got two of them we're going to do. Epoxy. And we're going to use the epoxy for this one, and then this one's going to go over here. So we're going to do both of these. This is a cabrina pump, and this is the WMFG or whatever the hell that thing was. So she's pushing both of these flavors out, and then you got to mix them. How long do you have to wait?
A couple minutes.
Couple minutes you have to wait.
Gotta clean that off.
Don't get it on your fingers. Don't get it on your dingers. Do I need a little brush so I can get inside there?
Huh?
We're just gonna smush it inside there. How are we gonna do that? Do we need a brush or something?
Just gonna smush it. No, I don't think you'll need a brush.
All right.
So you're doing 2 of them?
Yeah, we're gonna do 2. Still not thick enough. Still waiting for it to thicken more.
Not for what you want to do.
All right, so we want to wait and get it thicker.
Just especially because you don't want it to...
We're gonna paint the inside of this with this epoxy. She's gonna smush it all in there. Get it all in there really good.
Hold that plate.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. She's got to go right in there.
Am I gonna be able to get it in?
Smush it in. Smush
Oh,
it in.
it just goes in.
Smush it in. Smush it in hard. Push. You can't turn it in. You've got to push it in. Because that thing turns. Push it down, honey. You can do it. Push it in. Deeper.
You want it to go, you want it to stay this way.
Deeper. Oh, you got it. That was tight.
Except for this, and that just came off.
What?
You want this free?
Did you just break that off of there?
I don't know, I just pushed.
Oh, fuck.
Why do you have to push it all the way down?
Because I got to get it in there. Because I got to get it in. So that the air doesn't come out.
The air's not going to come out.
Can you see it?
Yes.
I think that's going to work. This thing popped off or something.
Right, but I don't know if that...
How did that break out? You were pushing it that way.
I just pushed it.
And it just popped.
You told me to push it hard.
I know. Well, maybe we'll see if this works. So this one, I've already got it in. I'm just twisting it. I might need
the needle nose pliers to try to get this out. It's a big chunk. Did I drop it? You might have to grab it at the same time that I have it.
So hopefully that'll work now. We'll see. When you do glue it, you got to make sure that you got a passageway in there. So we took this little stick. It was her idea, not mine, because I'm dumb. And we pulled this big giant glob right there out of there. Otherwise, I would have had a block tube. That stuff
I don't
hardens.
see why this is going to matter, because this is going to screw down onto itself.
So I'm hoping that this works. We'll find out.
You'll know. Yeah.
We'll find out when I hook it up. But we did epoxy it. This little sleeve slipped off of it. So I don't know if that is going to let the air out or not. We'll find out when we try it. But we put this one on, and it looks like we did a pretty good job with that one.